Heat recovery ventilation, or HRV. What's that? A heat recovery ventilation system is a centralized ventilation system in your house that automatically accomplishes the ventilation your house needs to keep the humidity low and the air healthy inside the house. Any house that does not have adequate ventilation, the moisture will accumulate because humans are very good at generating it. Breathing, perspiring, showering, cooking, plants, fish tanks, toilets, all of this stuff is continuously dumping moisture into our indoor living space. Again, without adequate ventilation, the moisture will accumulate. Usually, if that happens, the first sign is condensation on windows, leading to mold and mildew, respiratory issues, possibly even building structural issues. So controlling the ventilation in a building is very important, primarily to control the humidity for the health and safety of the occupants. The problem with conventional kitchen and bathroom fans, or any other air leaks in your house, like windows and doors that don't open or close properly, or one that you've left open on purpose, is your heated air is scooting out of the building with this stuff. And that's expensive stuff. You've paid to heat that air. You don't really want to just blow it outside just because you have to get moisture out of the house. So the theoretical ideal is a building is completely sealed. It has one opening. And in that one opening is this heat recovery ventilation system. It's a metal box about this big. Usually it sits in a garage or an attic. Inside that metal box is a low-speed fan with some thin metal plates. The fan is controlled by humidistats and thermostats in the living area of the house, so it's constantly monitoring temperature and humidity, and it only turns on the fan when necessary. So it's smart enough it's not going to turn on in the middle of the summer when all your windows are open. However, when the humidity level starts to rise in the house, the fan will turn on. It will slowly blow the warm, moist air out of the house past those thin metal plates, bring cool, dry air into the house past the other side of the same metal plates, transferring the heat between them. The net result is it keeps about 80% of the heat in the building while still accomplishing the ventilation that's required. The other benefit a heat recovery ventilation system offers is it mixes air around the house, especially if you're living in a house that does not have any ductwork. Perhaps you're heating with electric baseboards, for example. If you install the heat recovery ventilation system, it's going to suck air in the kitchens and the bathrooms, which are the main moisture generating spaces, and gently blow air into living spaces and bedrooms. By mixing the air around the house, there's an opportunity to filter it to remove dust and allergens, which obviously is a comfort improvement, and it's evening out the temperature and humidity throughout the house year-round, which again is a comfort improvement. So it's an energy efficiency savings, it's a comfort improvement. Right now there's some great grants to help you pay to put this kind of system in your house. Give me a call or an email, I'm happy to fill you in on more details.